Hi everyone, welcome back to Kwala, a Web3 workflow automation protocol. Imagine you could watch any wallet or smart contract and get notified the moment anything changes. No polling, no gaps. That's Kwala's new feature, address tracking. Teams still rely on fragile cron jobs, flow indexers, or event-only listeners. That results in missed transfers, silent exploit activity, and delayed business reactions. You need real-time monitoring for wallets and smart contracts. Kwala Address Tracking watches any address made by wallet or smart contract, the movement state or activity changes. It converts those on-chain changes to triggers you can act on. Then you can send notification, execute commands and functions, call Web2 APIs, and even deploy a smart contract. So let's see how we can do it. So you can go over here to Start Project. You can go to Workflows. Make sure our MetaMask wallet is connected and you have enough caller balance with you. So let's begin with wallet tracking first. Let's create a workflow. Let's go to Workflow Builder. Let's name this workflow as Wallet Tracker. Now coming to the triggers part of it, we have our trigger named as Address Tracking over here. So I'm going to choose it for Execute After and Repeat Every. So what it's going to do is every time trigger has been made on the wallet or anytime it changes its states, it's going to make an alert to me. For the alert system, I'm going to perform an action to get notified. I have added the expires in time. Let's go to address to track. So over here, I can mention the smart contract address or the wallet address. So first we are going to check it for the wallet address. Right now, I'm going to do it for Polygon Amoy network. So every time my wallet gets any transaction from someone over Polygon Amoy, I'm going to get notified. So let me select my wallet address. I'm going to repeat the same process for repeat every for the notification settings, particularly for action status notifications. That means whatever happens to this workflow, if this gets executed or this gets failed, where should I get all those notification and all those details? Automatically, it gets stored on my Kwala UI only. But you can have all those detailed to any other platform as well. So you can integrate and you can add the URL over here. Coming to the next part, I'm going to add the action as post right now, since it's going to be a Web2 API call. I'm going to get my notification on Telegram for now. Let me add the API endpoint, and I am adding the API payload. So right now, as you can see, I have added the chat ID, and for the text, I am generating all the data. So it's going to show me everything from transaction ID to block number to any other detail that is shown on our Explorer side of it. So right now, I'm going to show what all detail fetches from address tracking. Let's click to Next, and I want to execute this parallel, or we can do it sequential, since it's just one action. So let's create this workflow. Let me cross-check the YAML. It's done. Let's compile it. Before saving or deploying it, make sure you are on Kwala Network. Let's save this workflow. Time to deploy. Okay, the status is claimed. Now let's activate this workflow. So right now I have 3.8 POL in my wallet. Let me send a transaction to this wallet. Let me switch to another user and let's send 0.54 to my user 1 wallet. It's send received the notification. As you can see over here, I have sent it from this wallet address and I've sent it to this wallet address. As you can see, and this transaction has been made. You can see the block hash, block number, transaction index, chain ID, and all the details. So this transaction has been made successfully, and I got the notification. So every time any action is performed on user 1 wallet on Amoy network particularly, I will get notified on my Telegram. So this is how the wallet tracker works. Let's check the smart contract address tracking. Now for this purpose, I have already minted a token named it USDC. And we have created a treasury acceptance smart contract, which accepts USDC. So every time USDC gets deposited on this smart contract, I will get notified. That's what I'm going for right now. So I've already deployed this smart contract, as you can see. I'm going to copy the address and call it. Let's create a workflow around this smart contract for W. Let's go to New Workflow. Workflow Builder Smart Contract Tracking. Let's execute it after address tracking and expires in time. So I've added the expiration time. Let's track the smart contract. It's deployed on Polygon Amoy. I'm going to copy the address from here. Let's add the smart contract address. Let's go to Actions and create modification. The API payload. So here we are going for all the details. That's why. Event 0. Let's create this workflow. Cross-check all the details, compile it, let's save it. Okay, this workflow is activated. Now let's make a transaction. So we are going to send 1 USDC to this treasury accept USDC smart contract. Let's make a transaction. Okay, I have to be on the Amoy network for this. Let's make the transaction. So the transaction has been made. Let's check. Yes, the transaction has been made from this wallet to the smart contract. And as you can see, I have received a Telegram notification as well. So right now, as you can see, I'm getting all the details passed on from block number to transaction ID, everything. But what if I don't need this much of data? What if I only want notifications of deposit more than 100 USDC? So how would I do it? That's another session with our another new feature called Kwala Functions. So stay tuned for more such videos and keep learning. Thank you.